Pinabunan ako. Coach, nag-abot ka.
Nag-mix pa kami ni Coach niya.
Sa Ateneo ko sa Asian University. Sa Ateneo pala yun. May ano tayo sa national.
Mix Valley ba namin? Ano nga tanong ko?
First choice ko yan.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our closing press conference. We have Lieutenant Lazaro Julia, Eliza Valdez, the coach Sherry Meneses, and our best player today, Maria Delgado, who won matches to win in straight sets against the Choco Coach United Islands. First off, Coach, congratulations on this win over Choco Coach, also boosting your semifinals bid. How does it feel to be able to win this game?
Siyempre, happy kami na nakuha namin yung panalo ngayon by 3 sets. Pero siyempre, may isa pang game para ma-assure namin yung sila sa semifinals. Katrabaho mo lang.
Thank you so much. And for Atenay, what are your thoughts on this win, especially some blocking the market and then the loss of your brothers?
For the first time. We're very, very glad that slowly our training has been really showing in the game. So we're really happy na lumalabas. But sabi nga ni Coach, this win, we'll take it today. Tomorrow is another day. The job is not done yet. And it's gonna be a long eliminations pa. Kahit one game na lang yung natitira sa amin. Hindi madali. But yun, I am very proud of the girls and the coaching staff. I have to commend the coaching staff na talaga. They're very patient na ituro sa amin at i-remind sa amin kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin. And yun, sana nagagawa namin yun. It's on the coaches talaga. Thank you, coaches. Wow, oh my God!
Sige rin naman, so sasagutin. But you first, how do you feel being able to get this win against your former?
I'm very happy that we got this win today. Very crucial win for us, especially going into the semis. This win boosts our chances and at the same time yung momentum namin moving forward.
Thank you. And for the best player of the game against your former team, how does it feel to be able to get this and also be the best player of the game?
Well, again, sobrang happy namin na nakuha namin to. Sobrang big game niya for us as you guys know. And yun, sobrang thankful ko lang na namimita kami sa point na to na nakuha namin yung panalo. And talagang sama-sama namin ginawa ang trabaho namin. Lalo na sa ginagalaw din talaga ng Choco. We saw naman how their conference has been. Talagang nag-push rin talaga kami. So, just, yun, sobrang blessed lang talaga at it's so hard.
For Bea, ito nga yung first time. Ano lang yung naging feeling kanina na nasa kabilang size na kayo? Nakakalaban nyo yung dati nyo?
Yeah, in a way it was weird. Kind of fresh. Ilang months pa lang kami with Team Night. But, yeah, when we're inside the court, it's all business. But outside, we're happy for each other.
For me, well, siguro at some point, talagang big game din. Kinabahan din talaga ako at some point. Pero talagang mag-thank you lang rin talaga ako sa teammates ko, sa coaches ko na grabe yung guidance and tiwala sa akin na nandyan lang talaga sila literally behind my back. Atela is always there whispering wisdom. And yun, talaga, yung tiwala nila sa akin, talaga yun yung nagpakalma sa akin na sa tiwala ko sa sarili ko and lalo na sa ginagawa nila.
Eliza, yung Choco has been the top team entering this game. Does it give yung Great Island a special boost of confidence after playing arguably your best game against a team na ganito kaganda yung
Oh, wow. I guess, definitely because sabi nga ni Bea kanina, they've been playing in the best conference and season. Yeah. So, aside from the boost sa moral din namin getting that win against Choco Mucho, I think it's more of sabi nga namin, we're really trying to find our way back. Most especially na nagsastruggle kami during the first part of this conference. So, makalaking tulong tong game namin sa Choco Mucho para ma-settle kami ng konti, settle down kami ng konti, and to really bring back the and the hunger to win and to play that.
For Atletics, you're as captain, pressure is not naman for you and me, but in a situation now na a loss could have troubled your family for chances, right? How did you motivate me today? Or was like the battle cry more than ever to get this win against Choco?
Well, I guess we're always we talk about patience all the time in our team. We talk about not being pressured to be perfect all the time. So, yun yung battle cry talaga namin. And, I guess, iba rin talaga yung motivation na pag nandun ka sa point ng stage ng namin, siguro ng conference namin na may kailangan kaming kuhanin. Nagkakaroon talaga kami ng konting motivation and konting push na hindi namin bibitawan yung chance na meron pa kami. Kasi sabi nga ni Coach Erwin, nasa kamay namin yung chance na makapasok pa kami sa second round. So, yun lang yung lagi namin inaalala.
Playing with MJ in front of thousands of people sa Araneta.
Araneta?
Oh, yeah. Here. Yeah. I'm shy.
But,
sobrang blessing. Hindi ko akalain na dadating ako sa point na career ko na doon na nandito ako. From a kid na super scrawny and who didn't even know how to play quick. I mean, they saw me. I didn't even know half the rules. Pero yun, kasama ko sila ngayon. Pareho kami lumalaban. Team come true lang talaga.
Coach Erwin, Nate, hindi pa tapos yung laban kasi meron pa kayo one game that may decide or make or break your semi-final campaign against PLDT. So, ano yung mentality going into that PLDT game? Kahit sino?
Siyempre, trabaho. Yun yung unang maging mindset namin. Tatrabawin namin ang PLDT for assurance sa semi-finals. So, number one talaga is mag-teamwork muna yung team back to training kasi hindi pa naman tapos yung relegation. Sobrang, I think, 6 na teams yung nagtatay. So, hindi pa tapos. So, may one game.
For Denton and Vega, at this point, probably see na Freeline really feels like a new home. Like you're fully settled in the new environment, new culture, new everything.
Yes. No, really, it does really feel like magtapak na ako sa training din. Parang pinapihal nila na welcome ako sa team. I think the coaches, my teammates, and the management that, they made it feel like I'm part of the family, even if I was from Choco. I know the optics wasn't, really good. That's why I think I'm here in this interview. But yeah, one day happy now. Super great.
Yes, sobrang at peace ko sa kung nasan ako ngayon. Not a day goes by na hindi ako thankful sa mga kasama ko, sa mga coaches ko na binigyan pa ako ng isa pang chance na mahanap ulit yung sarili ko. And isa pong karangalan ko talaga na po kami ngayon. And I'm just so thankful to all of them. To Adelaide, to Coach Erwin na nagtiwala rin po sa akin. So yeah, my heart is at peace.
Yes, amen. Amen.
So, binibilang niyo ba yung club zero kayo? Against Choco Mucho o wala sa isa?
Hindi.
Hindi ba lang namin make sense eh.
Coach, pero talking about that 12-0 record, siguro it's talking about consistency na lang po, not just against a team like Choco Mucho, pero yung consistency in terms of yung high level of play against teams like, yun nga, nakasing caliber ng Choco Mucho that can compete for championships. Ano yung nagiging key dun sa tuloy-tuloy nga po na success nyo against teams like that?
Lagi naman yung mindset is yung situational na nangyayari sa loob ako. Hindi naman namin masyado iniisip kung sino yung kapag-zero kami, sino kalaban. Depende sa sitwasyon na mangyayari. Yung lagi yung mindset namin. Kahit sino yung kalaban. So, hindi naman namin masyado iniisip. Basta kami ready kami sa lahat ng situation. Mapalamang, mapahindi. Ano yung bigay sa amin na situation. Ready kami. Kahit sino yung kalaban.
Last thoughts on a crowd of over 70,000 people watching on a Thursday?
Wow! Wow! Until now kasi nakaka-speechless pa din na ganun din yung support na binibigay pa rin sa atin ng volleyball community. And it's just so nice always to play in front of all these people. Sa mga nanonood din sa live on TV, napakasarap na makapagbigay ng magandang laro. And we really do hope na magtuloy-tuloy yung support sa buong volleyball community, not only sa women's, the men's, the Spikers Turf also has been really doing well, guys. Even the beach volleyball, they played well also sa kanilang tournament just recently. So, we really do hope na mag-grow tayo together at mas malumaki pa yung family natin. And to the Choco Mucho fans, talagang iba po, Choco Mucho and Cream Night fans, saludo po kami sa inyong lahat sa binibigay niyo pong effort and time para po magpapanood at ipakita sa amin yung pagmamahal.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.